Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. I would like to give a shout out to Cat in the North. She made a video on making whoopie pies, and oh my, her measurements were absolutely spot on. We actually made 15 large whoopie pies using the recipe that she gave on her latest video. We still have 2 more pies to make, and we have exactly enough of the filling to make it with. This makes a wonderful Christmas gift for your friends and family. She just wrapped hers up in a plastic wrap. Talk about a nice little treat. Not very good if you're a diabetic, but however, we do have friends that are not diabetics. Either way, go check out my friend, yes, another friend from Maine, Cat in the North. Check out her YouTube channel. These whoopie pies will not disappoint. Farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.